The first thing about content writing is your compelling headline. What do you think I mean by that? Hooks your attention. So when you're writing your article, or writing your email, it's important to take a step back and ask, who am I writing this email to? Who is this piece of content for? Do you understand what I mean? So if I'm scrolling through my social media feed and I see very generic headlines, that make sense? Very generic. And generic is good when you have a large audience who is going to read your content or read, whatever it is. But when you're building your personal brand, you need that compelling headline to capture the attention of whoever it is, your attention you're trying to capture.